Alright, so I must still be on US time because it's almost 1:30 and I'm just waking up. I could actually sleep for a couple more hours, to be quite honest. But it's damn near impossible to sleep when you hear all that noise in the background. Now, y'all gotta check this out. The building directly across from me has a little roof on top of it, its roof, like a little shack, and it has, I'd say maybe 20 satellite dishes all on that one roof, little tiny roof. And it's, again, it's a cement shack, but it's still a shack, not very stable. Now, it is firmly established that I am a huge TV nut, and that the amount of TV that I watch is insanely absurd. But even I know that is way too damn much. I mean, how much damn TV do you need to watch to have that many satellite dishes? And how that shit ain't caved in yet, I have no idea. Because that was like that the last time I was here, and that was 12 years ago. And you can see from the looks on some of those satellite dishes that it's definitely been 12 years since somebody touched them. But hey, I guess the Real Housewives of Casablanca and I don't know. I guess that must be a popular show or whatever the hell. But I mean, just look out that. There's probably more satellite dishes than there are people. That is just crazy. I wish I could zoom it in, y'all would see this. This is ridiculous. But hey, I'm home. Or my second home. I still miss my monkey. Alright, let me wake the hell up.